We are going to crochet the small roses in this flower basket below. Let's take out the pink yarn from the crochet kit. We first take out the pink yarn. For this small rose, first, make 26 chain stitches. Let's make a slip knot first. Okay, then we wrap the yarn around. Okay, go in from the circle. Let's count. Okay, we have crocheted 26 chain stitches, like this. For 26 chains, we count back 4. Okay, let's see which one is the 4th stitch. This is the 1st stitch, the 2nd stitch, the 3rd stitch. The 4th stitch, we crochet 3 double stitches in the 4th stitch. Let's learn how to crochet a double crochet. Wrap the yarn. In this stitch, this half stitch is away from us. This half stitch is near us. This half stitch is away from us. Okay, insert the crochet hook. Bring it out from the front to the back and from the top to the bottom. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. We bring out the first 2 loops. Bring out the last 2 loops. This is our double crochet. Okay, let's learn about the crochet hook again. Wrap the yarn from the bottom to the top like this. Wrap the yarn and insert it into stitch. Bring the yarn out from the front to the back and from the top to the bottom. Okay, there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. We bring out the first 2 loops, then bring out the last 2 loops. Okay, these are our 2 double stitches. Crochet 1 more double crochet. We have crocheted 3 double stitches in the same stitch. We crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Well, this is our single crochet. Okay, we skip 1 stitch. Crochet 3 double stitches in the next stitch. We don't crochet this stitch. We crochet 3 double stitches in the next stitch. First, crochet 1, 2, 3, crochet a single crochet in the next stitch, that is, 3 double stitches and 1 single crochet make a group. Then skip 1 stitch in the middle, crochet the next group. Let's crochet the next group again. We skip 1 stitch and crochet below. Skip 1 stitch and crochet a double crochet in the next stitch. 2 double stitches. A double crochet. Okay, we crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, we skip 1 stitch and crochet the next group. A double crochet. 2 double stitches. Three double stitches. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. The next group. skip a stitch and crochet 3 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch again. Then crochet the next group, skip 1 stitch and crochet in the next stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Then crochet the next group, skip 1 stitch and crochet a double crochet in the next group. 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Then crochet the last group and skip 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. The first round is crocheted. Let's count how many groups there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's crochet the second round. First crochet 2 chain stitches. Crochet a double crochet in reverse. Crochet a double crochet at the first stitch. Crochet a double crochet increase at the second stitch. A double crochet increase means crocheting 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Then crochet a double crochet in the next stitch again. After crocheting a double crochet, crochet 2 chain stitches. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. This is a petal. This is 1 group. Let's crochet the next group. 2 chain stitches. Crochet a double crochet in the next stitch. Crochet a double crochet increase in the next stitch. 1, 2. Then crochet a double crochet in the next stitch again. Crochet 2 chain stitches. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. 2 chain stitches. Crochet a double crochet increase in the next stitch. Two chain stitches. 1 single crochet. This group is crocheted. Then crochet the next group again. 2 chain stitches. 1 double crochet. Double crochet increase. Then crochet a double crochet again. 1 chain stitch. 1 single crochet. Another group is crocheted. Then crochet the next group again. 2 chain stitches. 1 double crochet. Double crochet increase. Then crochet a double crochet again. Crochet 2 chain stitches. 1 single crochet. This group is crocheted again. 1 petal, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are crocheted. Then crochet the 6th one. 1 double crochet. Double crochet increase. One double crochet. Two chain stitches. Single crochet. This is the 6th group. Let's crochet the 7th group. Double crochet. When crocheting, there is a yarn here for the double crochet. Don't crochet it to the bottom. Crochet it here. Don't crochet it to the bottom. Then crochet a double crochet again. 2 chain stitches. 1 single crochet. 2 chain stitches. 1 double crochet. 2 double crochets. Then crochet a double crochet again. 2 chain stitches. 1 single crochet. Then crochet and break the yarn like this. This is the pink petal. I take out the skin-colored yarn again. Then crochet 1 more. The same steps. This skin-colored one is also crocheted. Then crochet a light yellow one again. Break the yarn. I've crocheted these 3 roses.